Let's see what's going on at the zoo. Last time I did this round, I blew out a back tire. It was pretty awesome. Fun day. We're hoping we don't reenact that one. Uh-oh. No fun, please. And he's gone. Sucker. It's actually kind of a pretty day today, man. I mean, something's burning down over there, so it sucks for them, but other than that, the weather's nice. I mean, I don't even think it's 80 degrees right now. Oh, the birds are circling. Maybe there's a Prius broken down. And I love street lights. It gives you that moment to stop and reflect on, you know, how much farther down the road you could be right now. Or in this case, at least I know there's a cop right there. Like I said, I really don't know where I'm going. I'm just making this up as I go. Oh, no ferries today. I have no idea what the speed. I have no idea what the speed limit is. Improvise. Slowly coming faster than the cop. Yeah, last time I did this trip was on the R3 coming down this road, and I'm pretty sure right up here is where something punched about almost a quarter-inch hole in the tire. I'm guessing it rode in the tire. I don't know. I didn't lose air pressure until a lot later on the trip, and it was one of those ones like 40 seconds. I lost all my air pressure. That was a pretty horrible day. After that one happened, first thing I did, started researching options for TPMS sensors I could put on the valve stems. And I found something called Photo Bike. I believe it's Photo, but stuff's great. Screws right onto your valve stems, links up to your cell phone via Bluetooth, and it gives you a live pressure and okay, I wonder what this guy's doing, but it gives you, yeah, it gives you a live update on all your tire pressures, and it'll also go through and also give you your tire temperatures. I don't know if I trust it for the tire temperatures, but for the pressures, it's within like usually 0.2, 0.4 pounds, which is more than enough to give me a warning if something starts dropping. And then once you got that going, you can go through, you just custom set where your high or low pressure settings are, and if your tire reaches any of those numbers, it'll start giving you audible warnings through your headset. That way you know pretty much, you know, get off the bike. This is a beautiful day though. That's one thing. I mean, we kind of lack a lot of the really fun roads in Florida, but some of the roads we do have, they're pretty. I mean, they're nice. Got a lot of trees and stuff like that. We don't get the nice twists, turns, we don't have the hills, but you do have nice peaceful settings. So if you're a person like me that's usually really high strung, that doesn't really do anything for me. No, it really doesn't. I'm still high strung. I love these narrow bridge signs, man. I live in the Midwest. You saw a narrow bridge sign when you were in the Midwest? That meant the sucker was one lane. You pull up on that thing, you see a truck on the other end, you're not going to win. It literally is one lane in the Midwest. When you get into some of those off-beat paths, that's no joke. So always keep that in mind. If you're anywhere around Missouri and stuff like that, you see something come up that's a narrow bridge, it's probably one lane. And they're usually long bridges too, man. Sit there and you pull onto that thing, you got an 18-wheeler, and like, okay, how the hell is this going to work? Yeah, someplace out here, there's like a huge sandbar, and you go by and you always see people out on it. I have no idea how the hell they get to it. It's not by boat because there's cars. I mean, you go by, you'll see Jeeps and trucks and all kinds of stuff on it. I can't figure out how the hell you get on it. Huh, we're being invaded. I knew Canada finally was going to have enough of our shit. But yeah, you gotta watch these roads. Florida Fish and Wildlife always patrols. They're always up and down it. Actually, after I blew up my tire, thankfully, because none of the bikers wanted to stop to help me, but what the hell just hit my helmet, but it looks like one of the aliens from Men in Black. That's pretty gnarly right now, man.
$75 later.
Sit rep. Men in Black looking bug is off my visor. I have absolutely no idea where this road goes. I'm just kind of winging this. I got maps. I still suck with that stuff. Now that's cute. Let's go straight. I have no idea where I'm going. Nope, not a clue. Pretty road. We're going somewhere.